Deep in the misty jungles of Southeast Asia, old legends whisper about monstrous white pythons, ancient serpents, silent and unseen, lurking just beyond the reach of firelight. For years, people said these stories were just myths, cautionary tales to scare away travelers. But if you ask the 3 hunting teams who met these creatures face to face, they'll tell you the truth is far more terrifying. Let's start with the first encounter, the river monster. A crew of seasoned hunters trekked into the jungle after villagers complained about missing animals and strange winding tracks by the riverbank. At first, they blamed a crocodile, but as night crept in, a chilling hiss echoed from the water's edge. One hunter shined his light across the river, and there it was, a giant white python, almost 30 feet long, coiled around a fallen tree. Its scales shimmered in the moonlight like silver armor, and it stared right back at them. Before anyone could move, the snake lunged, sending one hunter tumbling into the river. Guns flashed. The team pulled their friend to safety just as the python vanished beneath the swirling black water. They got away, but none of them ever forgot those glowing eyes, shining from the darkness. But that wasn't the last time someone crossed paths with these monsters. Months later, a second team of hunters headed deep into the mountains after hearing about livestock vanishing near a cave that villagers called the ghost serpent's lair. Inside the cave, the air was thick and rotten. Huge, shed skins hung like banners from the rocks. Suddenly, a scraping noise echoed behind them. Out slithered a massive albino python, its body thick as a tree trunk. The hunters tried to back away, but one dropped his flashlight. That was all it took. The snake attacked, wrapping around a hunter's leg and dragging him across the cave floor. In a desperate struggle, his friends fought back with ropes and torches, finally scaring the beast away. They escaped, barely, but nobody ever set foot in that cave again. Now, the third and most chilling encounter. It happened on a stormy night in a rainforest known for mysterious disappearances. A rescue team, led by a veteran hunter named Marcus, was searching for missing explorers. As thunder crashed, they followed enormous tracks into the jungle. And then, out of nowhere, Marcus spotted it, a gigantic white python hanging from the trees, even bigger than the others. The monster dropped down, crashing through the branches. Hunters scattered as the python's enormous body crushed small trees. Marcus fired flares to distract it while his team ran for their lives. For a few minutes, the jungle was chaos, rain, screams, and the crack of thunder. Finally, the flare frightened the python, and it melted back into the shadows. The missing explorers, never found. These stories spread like wildfire. Some people say the giant white pythons are ancient predators, relics of a hidden world. Others think they're nature's wildest mutation. Even now, hunters whisper about glowing eyes and pale serpents that strike from the darkness. Proof that in the heart of the jungle, legends are sometimes real. So next time you hear a story about a monster lurking in the wild, think twice before you laugh it off. Because out there, beneath the shadows, the giant white pythons might still be